English version mathematics class 5 chapter 6 number 7 a loan of 50,000 taka was taken from a bank for 3 years with the annual profit of 12.5%. What amount was stake should be paid back after 3 years? 3 years. Principal. So here principal amount 50,000 taka, and annual interest profit equal to 12.5%. So 50,000 of 50,000 equal to 6250 taka. In 3 years profit equal to 6250 into 3 equal to 6250 into 3 equal to 18,750 taka. So total return equal to 50,000 plus 18,752. That means 68,750 taka. Answer.